Hello everyone, we are Team NMIMS representing our college at the KPMG International Case Challenge. This competition aims to bring together world's talent on one stage to compete in one intense competition. We are four people representing our college from four different parts of the country who are exploring their social side of management. We have Devesh in the north, we have Rajat in the south, we have Nitish in the west, and we have me in the east. Let's see what Devesh from the north has to tell us about the competition.
Well, I'd like to start with the toughness of the competition. We had to analyze the case, made valid recommendations, and that too without external help within 3 hours. In the Kuiper round, we faced 50 teams and managed to win it. Now, we are in place for the final competition, competing against the 10 best colleges in the country. The winner of this national league will then face off amongst the 23 best of the world. Now, isn't this intense? Well, it is. Rajat, what do you have to offer?
I think the breadth of the competition is much more significant because one day we've been doing an airline case, the other day we're doing a petroleum case, someday we're doing another case. So the very fact that we realized the talents that we could come up with a solution for different industries within 3 hours. So it's something which I really give credit to KPMG for that. They told me that I could think much more than I thought that I could think. So it's just a wonderful to be a part of this experience. And I really believe that already I've learned so much from this that the only way this can go is further up. Thank you.
Yeah, so I guess then it all boils down to who can put his point across in a better way. I mean, having the ideas fragmented is one thing, but collating them and presenting them in such a way that you're able to convince the audience and the judges, that's the way of the champions. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Back to you, Hassan.
We talked about the toughness, the expanse of learning, the scale, the difficulty of presenting it to impress. We are talented, we are motivated to win it. And as you see, from four different parts of the world and still at one motive, we know that we will win it. We will be Team India, we represent our country for the world. The only difficulty we face is some tickets that are yet to be confirmed. Thank you.